If you have a keychain on here, you don't have to take it off. You just look here on the side, press this button, slide out the physical key. Once you do that, you can set this aside for a second, and then you see the buttons here, put those down. This is the back where it has the name brand. That cover pulls off. So you want to grab that and pull it, and take that off. Now you can set that down. This part right here, there's a secondary cover that covers the actual battery. It keeps dust and stuff from getting in there. You can pull up on this little tab here on the corner, and it says open. If you can't get it with your finger, you can use the actual physical key to help get it started. So you can kind of prop that up, and then on this side, there's a little space that you can pop that side up too. This makes it a little bit easier to get it started like that. So once you pry from there first, then there is the secondary. It should pop right up. You should be able to lift it up with your hand, like so. And just remember that orientation with that corner right here. Set that down. And this is where the battery is located. And this is CR2450 battery. And you'll notice this has, I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver for this. You might be able to use tweezers or something else. But you see it has these large catches right here and here, and the small ones here and here. The small ones are kind of flexible. These are not. So you want to pry up from this side. So I'm just going to put my finger on it a little bit so it doesn't go flying out of my hand. And then we're just going to pry up a little bit right here. Right like that. And it's a little bit spring-loaded. So you can see it kind of pushed a little bit. You can take it out, get the new one, put it in place like this, and push it underneath these two fixed catches right here. And it's like kind of spring-loaded. So you kind of get it, press it in there, and then push down. And then it should be underneath these two. And those, of course, that's where you started. But just make sure these are all the way down and they're caught in place. Now, we remember the orientation with this little corner. We just lay it right there on top without pressing the buttons on the other side. Snap that in place. And then this, you can see this side has a curved edge and a flat side. The curved edge goes on the bottom like this. And once again, without pressing the buttons on the other side, you just put this in place and start snapping it in place. And make sure it goes all the way down in. Check the edges here on the bottom and make sure that it's completely down and snapped in place. Put your physical key back in, and you're all finished.